One of the great things about living in Athens is the proximity to the sea. To my mind, it brings back all these incredible childhood memories. The US bases used to be in Glyfada, which is just down the coast, and I've always associated that area with this kind of hybrid cuisine. So I'm making a hybrid dish today. I'm making a Spanakopita mac and cheese with olive oil bechamel. The first thing I'm going to do is get my olive oil warm. And I'm making this in the pretty traditional way. It's 1, 1, and 1. A tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of flour, a cup of milk. So here it's times 3. The flour's going in, and I'm making a quick roux. Of course, the classic bechamel calls for butter, but this is a little bit of a Greek interpretation. We don't really want much color on that, but I want to cook the flour. If you don't cook it enough, you end up with almost a pasty flavor, and it's not very pleasant. I've already got my pasta cooked. The greens go in next. The next thing that goes into this are 2 really delicious Greek cheeses. One is a soft whey cheese, very mild, called anthotiro, and it's very similar to ricotta. The second cheese that goes into this is real Greek feta. It's going right in. And I think you can tell this is going to be a pretty rich dish. The next thing that goes into this beautiful elbow macaroni mixture is my Greek bechamel. Just going right in. Just mixing all of this together. Just a little bit of extra virgin Greek olive oil. To spread it out so that it's nice and even. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of kefalotyri cheese. That's another Greek sheep's milk cheese. It's nice and sharp, and it's one of the most popular grating cheeses in Greece. And just a sprinkling of breadcrumbs to give it a really nice crust and finish. This is going straight into the oven. I've preheated the oven to 375 and I'm gonna bake it for a half hour or until it's nice and golden. This is definitely ready. The whole kitchen has filled up with the aroma of the Spanakopita mac and cheese, and I am going to enjoy a piece. I think I just turned into a 12-year-old. It smells amazing. This is perfect. It is so creamy. The elbow macaroni is totally like mommy food, New York City, 1965. But for me, the best part is the top because it's really crunchy. It's in perfect balance with all the creaminess inside. This, to me, is a sophisticated child. And this sophisticated child wants a little red wine with this dish. And I've chosen it. It's a Syrah from the island of Evia, which is not too far from Athens. Complex nose, a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of smokiness and dark fruit. It's a really nice pairing with this lovely dish that helps us bridge the gap between childhood and adulthood. Easy here.